Hey everyone, Happy New Year. So the reason why I say same old channel, new attitude is because I have a brand new attitude, brand new year, brand new attitude. You know, to be real honest with myself, I can get real lazy. And that's the bottom line. I'm just lazy. I really need to, if I want to make this work, and you know what? It's not about the money, but it is about the subscribers. I want people to watch me. My goal is to just gain subscribers. So today I have 3 projects for you, and my goal this year is consistency. So this first project, yes, I'm going to start with some Valentine stuff. I thought it might have been a little too early, and I don't decorate for Valentine's Day. But I'm going to try to make some things that are kind of neutral that you can use, like in a little girl's room maybe, afterwards, like for Valentine's Day now, but afterwards, maybe in a little girl's room. So they don't just have to be specifically for Valentine's Day. Okay, so this first one, I'm making like just a wall hanging. I saw this on Pinterest, and what I did is I just braided some yarn, 3 pieces. I drew a heart. I made a template, and I drew a heart on this piece of fabric. Now I'm just wrapping my braid in the heart shape. And you see I run out, so I make another one. I made about 3 or 4 braids, maybe 5 foot long. Yeah, it did take a lot, but it was, kind of fun when it started. But I have to admit, like, I got tired and I wanted to quit, but I kept going. And then my computer was giving me a hard time. My programs kept closing. They weren't responding, so I had to download a new one. It's a new app, and so it's just been a crazy day, but I kept at it. I said, don't give up. And I think it's like 5 o'clock now, 6 o'clock, and I'm still going. So now I just put some pieces of yarn, I glued them to the back of the fabric, and then I unraveled them, trimmed them up, and now I have a beautiful wall hanging that I can add to a little girl's room. I'm going to put this little piece of wood on the top. What's it called? A skewer or whatever. And I'm just going to wrap the fabric over the top of it and hot glue it. And here's my finished project. I apologize. I don't know where the music button is on this new app. So we're going to have a kind of quiet showing of my projects. Now for project 2. So my second project I saw on Pinterest, and it's not really Valentine's Day-ish, but I thought it was so adorable, and I had all the stuff I needed to make it. I just wanted to make it. And you know what? I have a daughter, but she's 27. And I think this would be so cute in a little girl's room. My daughter's best friend is having a baby, and maybe if she has a girl, I'll give her all this stuff. I think this is so freaking adorable. So I had to make it. See, if I see things and I just think, do I think I can make that, or do I want to make that? I'm just going to make it. It doesn't matter what it is, what kind of style it is. If I like it, I'm going to make it. So anyway, back to, so what I do first is I make a pom-pom. And that's pretty much the hardest part. I make this little pom-pom maker out of cardboard. Then I make a pom-pom. Then I take a string of macrame cord and I paint some beads. I use a small, medium, and large bead for the top and 5 medium beads for the legs. I paint the 2 bottom beads pink for the feet, and I paint one pink for the head and pink for the neck. Okay, so as I was going to say is I really need to be consistent with my channel. I've already started emailing some people. Sorry, I'm going to interrupt you again. I got a heat gun for Christmas. Isn't that cute? Yeah, girls and guys. I feel like I'm part up. Now, look how cute this is. You just put the beads on the top. It's kind of self-explanatory. Then I split the string in half on the bottom to make 2 legs. And I add the beads for the legs and the feet. Okay, so I need to be really consistent with my channel. I already started emailing people about collabs, and I have a lot more to do. I want to be involved in collabs. I want to put out 3 videos a week. Hopefully I will. I'm not going to commit to it because I can get real stubborn and like I said, lazy. So I'm just going to really try, guys. And I'm saying it out loud so you hold me to it. Thank you so much to my loyal subscribers that write me comments every single video. I love you so much, and I'm so grateful for you. So here you see I'm just adding the legs and the foot, and I'm just going to tie a knot on the bottom. Wait till you see this, guys. It is so freaking cute. Oh my God, I just love this. I'm really loving macrame and boho. And this isn't either, but I just think it reminds me of it. Look at this little ballerina. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? Ah, look at her on the fur blanket. What? You can't tell me that ain't cute for a little girl's room. You can make them bigger, smaller. They could be Christmas ornaments. They could be whatever you want. So freaking cute. Okay. On to project number 3. Okay, so this is another one I saw on Pinterest. It's just hearts made out of cardboard. So I found a cardboard box from Christmas that I had some presents ordered from, and I cut out some hearts. I first cut a template, and then I just traced it on my cardboard. There's my cat baby trying to get into the mix, trying to help. She's the most, I'm sorry, but she's the most needy cat I've ever met. She is so needy. She always has to be right on my chest, right in my face. And if I don't pay attention to her, she hits me or tries to scratch me, so I'll look at her. All right, so I made 5 hearts. I end up only using 4, but I made 5. Now, what I do is I take 2 color yarns. I went to Michael's yesterday and bought a few things. I wanted to get ready so I'm prepared for some upcoming projects. And I just wrap these hearts. I wrap them the best that I can to cover up most of the cardboard, but I really don't mind the cardboard showing through just a little bit. How was everybody's New Year? Please comment. Let me know how you're doing, if you're happy and healthy. And let me know if you're happy about this 2020 being over. I know I certainly am. I was so stressed out about this stimulus, and I was like obsessed with it. I knew everything about it, when we were getting it, what we were getting. And I know it's still going on with the $2,000 check. I don't know whether we're going to get it. But I'm trying to cut back on it. I'm trying to just let it go. It is what it is. If we get it, yay. If we don't, we don't. I'm not working because I have, I'm on dialysis, but we're getting ready to get the shot soon at my dialysis center, so we're pretty lucky. Okay, so I did these two beautiful colors in the hearts. And then what I did is I made some tassels. Now, I think everybody knows how to make tassels. I just wrapped them around my hand, tied a piece of string on the top, and then made a little head, tied a string around the sides, and then cut the bottom to make it even. Just like that. Then I made a banner out of them, and this is my finished project. Isn't that beautiful? I think that is so pretty. Now, I don't normally hang Valentine's Day decor, but I thought this was so pretty, I hung it up on my fireplace. I'm not going to hang anything that says Happy Valentine's Day or anything like that. But I do like this. I love the Valentine colors. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Love you guys.